Good morning, students. Today we're starting the practice set 1.4 of similarity chapter. In this practice set, we're taking the means today we completed it almost we complete करेंगे हम इसको. But मैंने आपको बोला था कि आपको similarity of triangle study करना है, and this practice set is completely based upon the similarity of triangle. Okay, let us start it. So we're starting it from fourth. It means that first three questions for the homework. Okay, so we're starting. These are the very simple questions. We can do easily, बहुत easily कर सकते हैं. Okay, तो हम enjoyment start करेंगे from fourth. So let us start the practice set 1.3. Practice set 1.3 fourth question. Draw the figure for it. अब मेरे साथ ही सॉल्व करेंगे इसको. In triangle ABC. AP is perpendicular to BC and BQ is perpendicular to AC. This is the triangle ABC in which AP is perpendicular to BC and BQ is perpendicular to AC. From that, we have to prove the triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB first, and then to prove triangle CPA. I got which? Triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. And in that triangle, length of some sides are given. From there we have to find the AC. Okay, उनको क्या find करना है? AC find करना है. Then taking the proof, segment AP is perpendicular to side BC and segment BQ. कौन सा segment? BQ. किसको perpendicular है? AC को. BQ is perpendicular to side AC. It is given. क्या reason है इसको? Given. Is that clear? Okay. So it means that what is the measure of angle APC? 90. And angle BQC is also 90. Our target to prove the triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. We're taking these two triangles. In triangle CPA and triangle CQB. कौन सा triangle is second? CQB. Okay. Just to say that AP is perpendicular to BC. इसका मतलब एंगल CPA कितना है? Correct, 90 degree. Angle CQB कितना है? 90 degree. So can you say they are congruent? Yes, each 90. So angle CPA is congruent to angle CQB. Reason each right angle, that is the measure of each angle, is 90. Is that clear? Then you take the angle ACP, A angle, is congruent to angle BCQ, same angle with different name, that is said to be a common angle. So angle ACP is congruent to angle BCQ, is congruent to angle BCQ. Reason common angle. क्या reason है? Common angle. Therefore, if two angles of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding two angles of other triangle, then the two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB by a test of similarity. By a test of similarity. Have you got it? If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. यहाँ तक अपना क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ. हमको AC फाइंड करना है. Listen, means ट्रायंगल तो सिमिलर प्रूव कर दिया हमने. हमें फाइंड क्या फाइंड करना है? AC. तो अभी corresponding sides लेंगे हम. So we have to take the corresponding sides. AC upon its corresponding side is BC is equals to length of AP दिया है क्या? AP upon its corresponding side BQ. AP upon BQ, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay, put the value which are given. Therefore, AC upon BC का लेंथ कितना है? BC is equals to 12 is equals to AP 7 upon BQ is 8. Are you got it? So from that you can find out the AC. Therefore, AC is equals to 7 into 12 upon 8. Okay. 12 7 जार और उसको सिंप्लीफाई भी कर सकते हैं आप. इसको 4 से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. 4 3 जार एंड 4 2 जार. Okay. 3 7 जार 21 upon 2. So we get the AC is equals to 10.5 units. This is the length of AC. Are you got it? Write it please. Then we taking the fifth question. Both easy here. The figure for fifth question. Again, in trapezium PQRS, side PQ is parallel to SR. AR is 5 times of AP. AS is 5 times of AP. AQ. From that we have to prove SR is 5 times of PQ. Okay. Draw the figure for fifth. PQRS. Diagonals intersect each other at point A. Okay. We have to prove SR is 5 times of PQ. Right? To prove SR is 5 times of PQ. SR is equals to 5P. Okay. So we are taking the proof. AR is 5 times of AP. AR is 5 times of AP. AR is equals to 5 times of AP. It is given. ये क्या है? दिया है. Okay. इसका मतलब AR upon, if you take the ratio, you get the AR upon AP is equals to 5:1. Therefore, AR upon AP is equals to 5 upon 1. Got it? This is the first statement. Again, it is given that side PQ is parallel to side SR. PQ is parallel to SR. It is also given. Are you know? If two lines are parallel, alternate angles are congruent. So I am taking the angle P is congruent to angle R. You may take the angle Q is congruent to angle S also. I am taking the triangle SAR and triangle QAP. Yeah, and triangle RAS and triangle PAQ. Okay. If these two triangles are similar, one pair alternate angles, second pair vertically opposite angle, then the triangles are similar by A test. So for that, I am taking the triangle RAS. In triangle RAS and triangle PAQ. Second triangle कौन सा है? PAQ. Okay. Angle RAS is congruent to angle PAQ, vertically opposite angles. Angle RAS is congruent to angle PAQ, reason vertically opposite angles. We have to write the complete statement. Okay, vertically opposite angles. Due to space, I am writing here VOA. So don't write the VOA. क्या लिखेंगे आप? Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Then angle SRA. Which angle? SRA is congruent to angle QPA. Is congruent to angle QPA. Reason alternate angle. क्या रीजन है? अल्टरनेट एंगल. आप वो भी कंप्लीट लिखेंगे. Can you write it? Okay. If lines are parallel, alternate angles are congruent. Therefore, triangles are similar by AA test. Triangle RAS is similar to triangle PAQ by AA test of similarity. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So we taken their corresponding sides. Our target to prove the SR is 5 times of PQ. Okay. So SR upon their corresponding side, SR upon PQ is equals to, we taking the side AR, so I am taking the AR upon AP, AR upon AP, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Have you got it? So, but just to improve in first statement, AR upon AP का ratio क्या है? 5:1. So put that value. Therefore, SR upon PQ is equals to 5 upon 1, reason from first. And by cross multiplication, you get the SR is equals to 5 PQ. Therefore, SR is equals to 5 PQ. Hence we prove. बहुत easy है, लेकिन practice करना पड़ेगा. Okay, write it. The next one, question number 6. Question number 6 अब solve करेंगे. Similar way से triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD prove करना है. Put up the value which sides are given. From that you can find out the OD. So going toward the 7. क्योंकि फिफ्थ जैसा हमने triangle similar prove किया है, वैसा ही 6 में prove करना है. Take the corresponding side. Length of 3 sides are given. From that, we have to find out the OD. Put up that value and we get the OD. Got it? 7 के लिए ले जाएंगे. We are going toward the 7. In 7th, again quadrilateral ABCD is trapezium. Okay. Point E is on side BC. Line D intersect the ray AB at point. If you produce the side AB, that is converted to ray AB. At point T, prove that D into BE is equals to CE into T. तो figure draw करेंगे पहले. Draw it properly. Quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. In trapezium बोला था क्या? It is parallelogram. So we take in the quadrilateral ABCD as a parallelogram. AB extend कर दिया है उसको, DE को कहाँ पे intersect करता है? At point T. Okay. From that to prove DE into BE. To prove DE into BE is equals to CE into TE. CE into TE. कुछ स्टूडेंट ने बोल दिया कि so you have to write the some bold letters. थोड़ा बड़ा निकालो handwriting. और बोर्ड बहुत छोटा है, दोनों भी दिक्कत आ रही है. प्लीज वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन. थोड़ा एडजस्ट करो. ओके, वी राइट, वी टेक इन द प्रूफ. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. As you know, opposite sides of parallelograms are parallel. That's why it is a parallelogram. If AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD. So you can say the alternate angles are congruent. So you can say the angle, this one, angle ABE is congruent to angle this one. ये alternate angles है DEC, DCE. Okay, and these two are the vertically opposite angles. So I am saying these two triangles are similar by AA test. By AA test, if you prove these two triangles are similar, take their corresponding sides. मैंने बोला था आपको कि ये टोटल प्रैक्टिस से डिपेंड है सिमिलरिटी ऑफ ट्राइंगल एंड नॉट नीड फॉर द 10th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट. मींस आप 9th में भी इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, इतना इजी है. दैट्स व्हाई इससे पहले का जो लेक्चर था ना, मैंने जस्ट 2 मिनट में लेक्चर ने आपको इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए थे कि इसको ऐसा ऐसा सॉल्व करना है, तो वही करना था आपको. ओके, सो टुडे टेकिंग quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, रीजन क्या है? गिवन. क्या है रीजन? गिवन. ओके, सो आई एम टेकिंग द ट्राइंगल DE चाहिए आपको. सो यू टेकिंग द ट्राइंगल DEC. In triangle DEC, which triangle I am taking? DEC and triangle TEB and triangle TEB. आपको समझ रहा है क्या? In triangle DEC and triangle TEB, can you take their vertically opposite angles? So I am taking angle DEC is congruent to angle TEB. Reason, vertically opposite angles. क्या reason है? Vertically opposite angles. Okay, and then you take in their alternate angles. Okay, angle TBE. Which angle? TBE is congruent to angle DCE. DCE. Reason है alternate angles. क्या reason है? Alternate angles. Therefore, triangles are similar by AA test. Triangle DEC is similar to triangle TEB by AA test of similarity. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So you need the D, that's why I am taking. Therefore, DE upon its corresponding side. DE का corresponding side क्या है? PE is equals to, then we need the CE upon its corresponding side is BE. CE upon CE का corresponding side क्या है? B. CE upon BE, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Are you got it? So by cross multiplication, hence we get DE into BE. DE into BE is equals to CE into TE. Hence we prove that DE into BE is equals to CE into T. Easy है? मैंने बोला था आपको बहुत easy है. Right? Then we going toward the question number 8. Okay? 8 की तरफ जाएंगे. 8 and 9. Question number 8 की तरफ जाएंगे. AP upon CP is given, BP upon DP, then prove the triangle APB is CDP. बहुत easy है. Orally ले लो. अच्छा फिगर ड्रॉ कर दो. Can you take orally? Orally ले सकते हैं. आपके पास बुक्स है, ऐसा कैसे लगूंगा? AP upon BP is equals to CP upon AP upon CP in triangle ABP and triangle CDP. AP upon CP is equals to BP upon DP is given. Okay. Then we have to take vertically opposite angles are congruent. Then you get those two triangles are similar by yes test. Okay. Can you? So go toward the 9th question. 9th question को solve करेंगे. 9th one. बहुत easy exercise है. इनका सबसे easiest exercise है. angle BAC is congruent to angle ADC. Angle BAC is congruent to angle ADC. Then we have to prove from that CA square is equals to prove CA square is equals to CB into CD. CB into CD. Okay. So I'm starting the proof. In triangle CAB, which triangle? CAB. BAC देंगे. In triangle BAC and triangle ADC. In triangle BAC and triangle ADC, CAB is congruent to ADC. It is given a diya. Okay. So I am taking the BAC is congruent to ADC. Reason given. Reason क्या है? Given. And these two triangles having angle C as a common angle. Angle ACB is congruent to angle BCA. Have you got it? So angle ACB is congruent to angle ACD, same angle with different name. That is called as the common angle. Common angle find करना बहुत common sense की बात है. Okay? So triangle BAC is similar to, therefore triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADC by AA test of similarity. Have you got it? If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So I am taking therefore CA upon its corresponding side. CA upon corresponding side is CD. CA upon CD is equals to, take the corresponding side as a BC upon AC. BC upon CA, corresponding side BC upon CA, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Have you got it? I am taking CA upon CD is equals to BC upon AC, that is CA. We need the CA. So by cross multiplication, CA into CA is the CA square is equals to, by cross multiplication, CA into CA is CA square is equals to BC into CD. Hence proof. Got it? This is a very simple exercise, a practice set. जितने questions आपको होमवर्क के लिए दिए हैं, you have to practice it. Okay? Enjoy it.